period of Imams. Scholars like Imam Malik, Imam Awza'i, Imam Sufyan Suri, Imam Abdullah ibn Mubarak. So before only ahadith was written. Now this is the time they have collected the ahadith and written in the book according to the chapters. So chapter wise and sub-chapters, it was started with Imam Malik, who died in 179 after the Hijrah. Abdullah ibn Mubarak 181. And the third batch or third period is called the period of Masanid. And Masanid means they started to write with the name of the Sahaba. Like every hadith that we have today, it is all from the Sahaba. And Sahaba heard directly from Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this period of time, the scholar used to write the ahadith according to the name of the Sahaba. Like Abu Huraira. But they found that Abu Huraira has narrated to his students. So this is ahadith of Abu Huraira, this is ahadith of Abdullah ibn Mas'ud, this is ahadith, these are the ahadith of Muaz ibn Jabal, these are the ahadith of Usman ibn Affan. So in this way, and the books that are telling the ahadith by the name of the Sahaba, that these books are called Masanid. So the Masanid were written in this third period of compilation of books of ahadith. And the fourth period is the period of Siha Sitta. Siha means the plural of Sahih, the correct, and Sitta means 6. Among all the books of ahadith, 6 books, they are very high and important books, and as the conditions and I have mentioned, they fulfill these conditions of the narration, so they are called Siha Sitta. So among them, the most important is Sahih al-Bukhari. Sahih Bukhari is the name Muhammad ibn Ismail al-Bukhari, who collected ahadith and compiled in his book, and his book is called Al-Jami' al-Sahih bil-Imam Bukhari. Al-Jami', and the ahadith that is mentioned in this book, 9,082 ahadith. But if you take out the repeated ahadith, then the total ahadith in this book is 2,602. Because when a writer used to mention the ahadith, so one hadith is not mentioned one time. One hadith is mentioned in different chapter under different topics. Like the topic is Hajjatul Wida. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the Hajj. This hadith would be mentioned here. And in the hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said you should be good with your wives. So when the chapter will come, the behavior with your wife or rights of the woman, then this hadith would be in that place also. When there would be the introduction of the places, say Arafat, like Arafat is a place of Hajj. So in this chapter also this hadith will appear. So in this way, one hadith has appeared many times in the books of in Sahih al-Bukhari and other hadith books. So in this way, ahadith collected. But the categories, one category of the book is called al-Jami', like Sahih al-Bukhari, it is Jami'. What is the Jami'? Jami' is a book in which 8 important topics are mentioned. Means the ahadith related to these 8 topics, that book is called al-Jami'. from aqaid, from the daily life, prayer, salat, zakat, and tafsir of Quran, and the seerah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So different topics are together in the books, and related ahadith are mentioned in this book that is called Al-Jami'. Another like Sahih al-Bukhari, this is the Jami'. Tirmizi, Jami' al-Tirmizi, this is also the Jami'. And other kind of the books are called Sunan. Sunan are the books which are written according to fiqh chapter. Fiqh always speak from the tahara, from wuzu, from ablution, purification, then salat, then zakat, then fasting. The books of hadith that is written in this chapter wise, like the first chapter is about the purification, tahara, the second chapter is about the salat, the third chapter is about zakat, and fourth chapter is about fasting. So these are called sunnah. So this is the fourth, fourth period of the collection and the compilation of ahadith. So in this way, the ahadith was collected and it was written. And Mu'jam, there are some books of hadith which are called Ma'ajim or Mu'jam. Mu'jam is a name of the book of hadith which is written according to the teacher's name. Like one hadith I heard from my teacher, so I will start with the name of the teacher. Like Imam Bukhari is saying Sa'id ibn Yahya. So all the ahadith that he heard, Imam Bukhari heard listen from Sa'id ibn Yahya, first it will be mentioned. And the other ahadith that he had listened from other teacher, that in the second chapter that hadith will be mentioned. In this way, the books of hadith written, that is called Mu'jam. And Mustadrak, there are some books of hadith, they are called the Mustadrak. Mustadrak means the condition that first, like Imam Bukhari, he has written his book with certain condition, and he has finished his book and he has completed his book. And after Imam Bukhari, some other scholar came and he has seen some other ahadith, and he realized that what Imam Bukhari has fixed the condition for the compilation of his book, some other ahadith still exist that he missed to write in his book. So I am going to collect these ahadith and making another book that is called the Mustadrak. Means he has he could not mention these ahadith, maybe he could not reach in these ahadith. So I am writing this book because it has the same condition that Imam Bukhari applies or some other scholar apply. So I am writing. So these books are called Mustadrak. And another book of hadith is Mustakhraj. Mustakhraj with the name, there are some hadith, books of hadith with the name of Mustakhraj. Mustakhraj is a book of hadith that is written in a way like this hadith. This hadith is narrated by Imam Bukhari with the chain of Abu Burda, Sa'id ibn Yahya and Abu Musa Ashari. But the same hadith is mentioned somewhere with other chain. Hadith is the same, but the narration is different. So some scholar, they have mentioned other chain, other narrations. So that books is called Mustakhraj.